All right, good morning, guys. Good morning, guys. Welcome to another YouTube video. My name is Nikal. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how you can plant a pineapple, the head of the pineapple that you bought at the store or the supermarket, and get something like this. So, stay tuned. Remember, I'm going to talk to you about how to plant the pineapple from the top to get a pineapple plant bearing in maybe less than 2 years. All right. So, if you like this content, I'm going to ask you to please subscribe, like the video, and share it. All right. So the first thing that you're going to do is you want to remove the top of the pineapple, right? So some people just go ahead, what they do, they peel it and then they use the top. But I'm going to just for the sake of this video, I am going to remove the top from my pineapple and then I'm going to peel it. What you need to do is get a knife and you're going to remove the top of the pineapple. Don't hold it and break it because it will damage the plant. All right, because this is going to be your new pineapple sucker that you're going to plant. So you're going to just cut it away. Wow. And this one I cut it a little bit bad, but let us see if it can work. What you want to do is to remove some of these lower leaves and you want to expose some roots, right? You can see some little root nodules right there, and that's what's going to grow into mature root to establish your plant. So as I said, I cut this one a little bit bad. You know, I want to cut it with if you're cutting it, you want to cut it with a little more of the pineapple on it. But nevertheless, we're still going to plant it. Those pineapple over there is what you call the MD2 variety, and I'm going to show you a photograph right now of them because this variety is very sweet. It's a Malaysian variety, and we also have it here in the Caribbean. So I'm going to show you right now a picture of that one, actually the fruit of it and how it looks. So if you bought that one at the store or the market, you can know what variety you have. Right, so I'm now going to plant this one. And you want to make sure that you cover this from here to about this. This is the depth that you want to put it down in. So you make a little hole, and I must advise you that you cannot plant pineapple in a cool, shaded area. You want to put it in full sun because pineapple is like a desert plant, right? It loves a lot of sunlight, and especially if you want your fruits to be sweet and juicy, you have to give it full sun. So you plant it just like that, and you cover. Right? And that's a new plant. That's it right there. And you want to make sure that you wet it slightly every day. You don't want to flood it with water because, as I said, pineapple don't like a lot of water. So you want to make sure that you water it slightly. And if you want, you can go ahead and mulch it, especially if you live where it is very hot. You can go ahead and mulch it to retain some amount of moisture in the soil. All right? Now, if you want to make sure after 2 weeks or 3 weeks or so, and you want to check if your plant is, you know, growing and it catch, what you can do is just pluck on the mid leaf. Pluck on it like that. And if you feel any sort of resistance, then you know that the plant is established. So after maybe a month, you can do that to check it if the plant is fully established. If you see this, if this one does come up all the way up, if it just pull up like that, it simply means that the plant never catch. And it may, you know, it may die or something. So that is the little test I used. All right, I'm just going to show you around now. And this one was planted 5 months ago, and you can see it. And when it started out like that. All right, and this is it now. So maybe in another six months to a year, I may get pineapple from this plant. And as I said, this one is the MD2 variety. Very sweet, very fleshy, and the fruits are huge. And what I did was to just use the pineapple to make a barrier on my lawn. So that is the lawn there. So I just used the pineapple to make a barrier all the way around. So those are my plants. So what you're actually acquiring now is two things. It's functional because it stands as a barrier for your lawn. It's functional because it stands as a barrier for your lawn, and it also gives another function based on the fact that you're actually getting fruits. So It serves two purposes, you know. It is there for the aesthetics, and it is also there as a food source. All right. So if you're a pineapple lover, you can do this, and you can get pineapple beer in maybe over a year, a little bit under 2 years. All right. And every time after that, when it first fruit, every time after that, subsequently every year, you're going to get a fruit from it. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. For Home and Garden Fix and Tricks, I'm Nikal. Peace. Gentlemen, I'm inside now, and I actually peeled the pineapple, and this is it. This is what it looks like. So remember, you can have fruits like this coming from your garden. This one didn't come from my garden because mine are not fruiting as yet, but you can have this fruit if you follow that tutorial, if you follow that instruction, and you don't have to be buying pineapple all the time. And remember, pineapples are very nutritious, they are healthy, and they are sweet. So it's a sweet treat. So all you pineapple lovers, if you love pineapple, please, next time you bought a pineapple, plant the top of it. All right. And let me just add to what I just said earlier. If you don't have like land space, you can also put it in a pot. If you have a big enough pot, you can put the pineapple in the pot. However, you'd have to put that pot on the outside or on the veranda if you have a sunny veranda or a sunny porch area. You can put it there, and it will reward you just the same. All right. Thank you.